Welcome to Sew Very Easy. My name is Laura, and I'd like to introduce you to a new denim needle, and it happens to be gold. This is the beautiful new gold denim needle. You can see the difference when we compare it to the regular denim needles. So yes, the gold is pretty, but there's more to it than just a pretty looking needle. The jeans needle or the denim needle is put out by the SCHMETZ company. And there's two different sizes. We have a 90-14 and a 116. And the sizes are up here in the top. Let me show you. I put a little piece of paper in here so that you can see it. So the gold needles are titanium needles. The coating has helped stabilize that needle. So it's going to make it a little bit stronger. So we're going to get a little bit more wear out of it. And because it's a stronger needle, it is less likely to break. So it is really nice that we have that extra strength to do what we need to do to go over those seams. The gold coating also gives it a longer life. Now it does have a ballpoint end, and what that means is it's going to work its way between the fibers, not through the fibers. We have the fabric that is woven, so that ballpoint is going to go in between the fibers. And that is also what helps not having skipped stitches. So we have those two sizes of the gold needle. That's definitely going to up the game for sewing some denim. I know the needles are small, they're just a little piece of metal, but they really can make a difference. Not only do they give us a better results, they prevent skip stitches, and well, they make our sewing time so much more enjoyable. I'll put some links in the description so you can check out the new gold denim needles. And thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, and I do have a newsletter. It's all free under Sew Very Easy. And be sure to make every day a spectacular day. Bye for now.